I am Dr. Vaibhav Kalambe, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist practicing at AIIMS Hospital, Dombivli. So here at AIIMS Hospital, in dermatology, we have both clinical as well as cosmetological dermatology. As far as clinical dermatology is concerned, we have a daily OPD to treat all the clinical cases. So for cosmetic dermatology, we perform a various list of cosmetological oriented procedures. To name a few, we will begin with removal of warts, skin tags, corns, calluses, callosities and even moles. All these procedures are done under local anesthesia with the help of a good radiofrequency and electrocautery machine. Various other surgical techniques like punch excision and even shave excision are carried out for the same. Coming to next, it is the most common disorder which we encounter in daily OPD. It is pattern baldness, that is male pattern or female pattern baldness. There are other disorders like pilosion effluvium, chronic pilosion effluvium or alopecia areata. So for first two conditions, we go for platelet-rich plasma, that is PRP or mesotherapy. So for mesotherapy, we have injectable meso solutions or injectable hair serums which we directly inject in the hair follicle in male pattern or female pattern baldness patients. So what is PRP? PRP is platelet-rich plasma. In this technique, we extract the patient's blood, centrifuge it and re-inject it back into hair follicles of the patient. How does this PRP helps? The PRP leads to increased hair follicle growth, increased growth rate of the hair follicles, as well as in few cases we can even see new hair growth of the hair follicles. So in this PRP technique, we go for every 2-week sittings. For minimal of 6 sittings are advised. All these techniques are done under topical anesthesia with minimal discomfort to the patients. So these are the major skin and hair related services which we offer here at AIIMS Hospital, Dombivli. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any query related to skin and hair. Stay healthy, stay fit.